This is my second year growing the blush tomato variety. Don't mind some of these yucky leaves, but as you can see, the tomatoes are a nice sunset orange color with some faint marbling or stripes on them, and it is an indeterminate variety. I will say, last year it performed better for me than this year, and I'm fairly certain it's due to the location. Unfortunately, this bed is just not the best spot to grow tomatoes in. But despite it being in a less than prime section of my garden, it still has been putting out a decent amount of fruit, and last year when the plant was in a better area of my garden, it was extremely productive. Flavor-wise, it has a nice fruity tropical taste to it with some bright notes, while still being mild and not too acidic. They have a pretty good shelf life too. Once picked, they keep their firmness for a while, and these are great for snacking or to put in salads. I will grow this variety again next year, but I'll give it a better location so it can thrive.